Folks, Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. I'm super proud to present to you a 39-foot, folks, interior tour. So as you're looking forward from the companionway, you have port and starboard quarter berths, which you'll see later in the video. You walk down, you stoop a little bit, and you come into the main salon of the boat with the galley on the port side, head on the starboard side. Let's start with the galley. You got a 3-burner with oven. Propane range here, made by Force 10 RCA microwave oven. You have a refrigeration unit with freezer compartment there with opening ports both sides, so you have good access. You got sliders in the back for keeping dishes, hot deep sink with hot and cold pressure water, drawers, etc. In the main salon of the boat, you have a really nice table. It can drop down to a double berth if you so choose. They never used it that way. Has a settee or a settee on the port side. You have a Dickinson propane-driven radiant heater on board the boat, so for very, very comfortable cruising. All the upholstery in the boat, it was replaced. ViewSonic TV set, and then a very nice, comfortable V-berth forward, nice large space with hanging lockers, port and starboard side. Older style VHF radio, but the owner says it works like a cat's ass. It works perfectly. The only reason to upgrade it would be to maybe integrate an AIS system into the boat. So as we pan around and start looking into the back again, you got the galley again on the port side and the head on the starboard, hanging locker again. The owner's still using the boat. It's got a Jabsco marine head. It does have holding tank, has lots of fuel and lots of water. The engine is freshwater cooled. It's telephone style shower, if you so choose to shower inside the boat. Has lots of storage behind the steering quadrant area, behind those steps. And again, that is your starboard quarter berth. That is your port quarter berth, electrics, etc. What a nice boat. No smells in it whatsoever. No rust anywhere. It's fully foamed. The hull's been foamed. It is ready to go. We welcome your surveyors. We welcome your mechanics. This boat is in great shape, realistically priced today. The owners decided that it's time to move on. Somebody's going to get an exceptionally well-maintained boat at a realistic price. PacificCoastYachtSales.com. Bonded and licensed in Washington State and certified brokers in British Columbia. 604-708-1980. Please give me a call to arrange viewing of this boat. Thanks again for watching.